Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is December 8th, 2022. Alright, so we had a fantastic week actually. We just came down nicely with the market, and yesterday we just changed our dynamic from short to long, and fair enough, we have a nice green bar today, and this bar actually gives us a nice gain, and we just nailed our position, booked some profits in Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Also, I'm just looking for more upside still coming down the road. Tomorrow will be PPI numbers coming out for the months of November, and that's going to be market mover as well. So starting tomorrow, market will be choppy and sloppy. So don't be surprised if of any action from downside to upside. To be honest, I don't know what number would be. Everyone is expecting number would be slower or kind of like a lower than expectation, which is good for the market, and market wants to see that one. If number still is high, then Federal Reserve will push on the interest rate, but if number is down, then Federal Reserve will have like a more dovish tone instead of hawkish tone. Then market is betting on the pivot probably next year. If you haven't watched my video about the pivot, so make sure watch that video, because I definitely strongly said that pivot is not a good term for investors and traders, because after pivot, you know what happened to the market if you watch that video as well. So here is my cycle, my kind of like a roadmap for the S&P 500, and it works perfectly. And right now we are just going back to probably a bounce to this level. It doesn't mean that we are get there by December 15. Probably it's gonna take SMA 20, and in next 2-3 days we get there. But if we get there, that would be, I would say, nice bearish signal, or nice short signal for me at least, just because this is a nice QM pattern. So this is a shoulder, this is a head, and probably the right shoulder is coming and forming, and we can just get back to our short position. Again, there is nothing certain for the market, especially when tons of news, fundamental news are coming to the market and can just boost up the market to the upside or smash the market to the downside. So no one knows about the news, but we are just seeing the patterns, how they form in our chart, and then we can just make a decision. So far, we are good. We had a short position coming down nicely, engulf this area, coming back up nicely, got like a retrace from this trend line, and exactly before it gets there, if you follow my daily analysis, I just told you we will have a bounce here. I'm not sure if this bounce is going to be strong all the way up to 4,000 to 4,025, or that's going to be just a day bounce. But we will have a bounce, and we took it, and we just booked our profit, and it's off the table now. All right, going to 4 hours chart. So here is 4 hours chart. In 4 hours chart, we are getting back to this level. So this is a bullish consolidation. Probably we will get another A, B, and then C pop to this area. So still there is another chance to go higher from this level, but this would be, I would say, the last one. As I said, here is the shoulder, here is the head, is coming down, engulfing this area. Fantastic. And look at that. So this is great setup for us, and I'm just waiting for this area, or probably around this area, 4,025 to 4,050. That would be a nice short setup. So still we are not there, so we are just waiting for market to go up, and then we can just make a decision to see where are we at and how the market is forming. Going to hourly chart. Here is the early chart. So we had nice pop from here. So today market just went up. As you see here, the next target would be 39.83, and the next one would be 4,002, probably to 4,025, and that would be, I would say, 4,025. That's going to be again level. That's going to be my level for short position, and I'm going to load my or reload to my short position when we are getting above 4,000. Still, we are not there. I should be patient, and I just suggest you to be patient. Don't think that this market is finished. There are tons of opportunities down the road. We are getting to very high volatile week next week, and also seasonality, we are bullish, and we are in months of December. Everyone should make a note of that one as well. So let me go to Nasdaq chart, early chart. Okay, so here is the Nasdaq, and here is the Nasdaq daily chart. Let me go to early chart. Okay, so here is our trade. We just have a trade there, so all the stop losses is there. So it is already risk-free. It is already in profit. We took a 2 portion of our positions. So first and second target hit, and I'm just first target hit, and we had nice move to the upside. This is nice consolidation, probably for another top or another pop. Another pop to target 2. I'm not sure if we get to target 3, but target 4 is going to be very dramatic if we get there. I'm not sure, because between target 3 and target 4, I'm just looking for a short position. Still, we are not there, but that's going to be a possibility. So market just reacting pretty nice to this area. Let me just get off this position, get rid of this. Yeah, so here is the nice bullish consolidation. The type of candles and price action, the one that I see is we are heading to this level. Again, as I said, we are heading to this level, and probably that's going to be a possibility, which is going to be a next target. I just put it below this because I don't want to just miss the second target by 1 to 5 points. I just want to be a little bit conservative and just put my target below that one, 11,700, and this is 11,719. Let's say 20. Let's just adjust it a bit. Yeah, 24. So I just put 25 units below this level, but I think market has some potential to have a spike to 11,725, and that's going to be probably sizable rally and sizable top for another sell-off probably next week. So again, I just want to go with you with two different charts here as we have time. So this is Dow Jones chart, and everyone needs to take a look at this. So we are below SMA 20 in Dow Jones in daily chart, right? So this is just a bullish, this is not a bullish sign, this is bearish sign. And also we kind of engulf this white range bar. This is another bear signal. Today we had a sizable bounce for Nasdaq, for S&P, but not Dow Jones. Dow Jones just touched SMA 20 and then pulled back. So I think this bearish consolidation is going to form for another drop to this level. I'm not sure if this drop happens today, tomorrow, which is Friday, or next week. But the level that I'm having for Dow Jones is 33,094. So just keep an eye on that. Mark it in your chart and see if we can get another drop. And that drop would be a decisive moment for the market, for the Dow Jones, for all the other indexes as well, because Dow Jones is kind of leader. And as you see here, this is the only index that engulfed or take out a pivot, August high pivot. And we are just coming back and pull back, and this pullback is stretching down, and we don't want to see that. So we are coming to this white range bar territory as well. All right, so I think I wrapped up everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tomorrow I will be back with a weekly analysis. And if you are set for tomorrow educational session, make sure that come to our educational session. It's going to be free for everyone. It's going to be lots of good materials there. So there are lots of good stuff we're going to cover about the divergence. It's going to be 3 p.m. In Pacific time. So it's going to be 6 p.m. Eastern time in North America. Hope I see you tomorrow in live session. See you on the chart. Bye bye.